Hello, my name is Tabitha Dussel. I have my bachelor's from Penn State. I graduated in 2016, so I'm now doing my master's. I work for my local children and youth agency in Schuylkill County. It is in Pennsylvania. I'm in the intensive protective unit, so I have weekly cases. They are moderate to high risk of neglect and abuse. Our goal is to try and keep children in the home, but unfortunately, I do end up in court a lot, and I do place a lot of children. Um, Typically, they're moderate to high risk because they are babies and they are very vulnerable, obviously. And the parents either have severe mental health or severe substance abuse problems. So basically, my job is to make sure that their kiddos are safe. In my last classes, I have enjoyed doing group projects and getting to know everybody, getting to see how different people think and their perspectives on the different topics that we learn about. And I'm looking forward to this class because I've never really had a class like this where we went over like laws and just like the more legal part of things, even though I'm in court all the time. Um, so I am definitely looking forward to that, and I look forward to learning with all of you.